Oh, would you look at this? Just look at it. It's a Bertello Pizza Oven and propane gas burner. This model comes with a wood tray for the gas burner and a pizza peel combo. Let's open this up. Let me spin around this. Look at this. Is it different on the front? Back, front? Anyway, let's go. A pizza oven. Bertello. I'm going to unbox it today. Oh, first of all, I see a nice pizza peel. That's nice. Oh, it goes like this. All right, I have to unscrew this. I'm going to learn all this. But first of all, I wanted to show it to you. Oh, there you go. Thank you. That's so you can put it away easily, compact. I'm going to hang it up somewhere. You can hang it up if you like. Bertello. User manual. I'll be reading that. And the gas burner user manual. You can buy this without the wood kit. This has a kit for burning wood. You can buy it without that and only use gas. But this is the more advanced model, of course. Oh, and this came with goodies. This came with a temperature gun. You know, that's always handy. Laser infrared thermometer, so you can see how hot it is in there. It's getting windy out here. It's a bag. This must be a cover. Okay. Stay there. Can figure that out, right? That's great. You know what I'm hungry for, don't you? This is the gas burning apparatus, which you hook this to your gas tank, either a big tank for your grill or the portable ones, you know, the little ones you get camping and stuff. This will have to assemble. You just slide that in, that's all you do. You know, the flames come out of there. This is the wood burning attachment. They don't all come with the wood burning, but this one did. This is to close the wood chimney area off. You'll see when I get it all put together. What do we have here? 4 screws and an Allen wrench. Okay, no problem. There's more in here. There's a pizza oven in there. Nice. That's it. Oh. Bertello. Okay. We would remove that. Oh, there's a box in there. Okay. It's packed very nicely. Oh, this is probably the pizza stone, which is very protected, right? So we want to be careful with that. Coming out. I'm glad it's packed so snugly to protect it. There it comes. Oh, the pizza stone, see? I'm going to be careful with that. That's why it's really packed good. It says Bertello right on it. Don't drop it. Okay. I think this is the unboxing. Oh, this is probably the wood tray, right? One more thing, it has legs. So It's a little more portable for you and keep it off of your table for the heat. This closes that off. That's where you would add your wood once we get it all going. This goes in there. See this? I'm gonna figure it out, okay? There's a control to turn it up for your gas. Get it fired up. Put your wood in, or propane, whichever one you want to use. And take it off for now. You're gonna see it, don't worry. I'm unboxing it right now. I'm gonna learn about it. And this is where your pizza's gonna go. See? The stone sits in there on these little pegs. Do you see those pegs? There's 4 pegs in there, so it's not flat down on the surface. And that's where your pizza would go. Can't wait, huh? You can't wait like I can't wait. Okay, let me read the instructions. Had to show it to you. Probably make a pizza tomorrow or later today. We'll see. But it's pretty simple, isn't it? Put the heating element in. Add your attachments. Wood or whatever. We'll see. Hang on. See, you got that. That's how it lights the propane. Flames. This goes in. Okay. Be patient with me while I read the instructions and learn it. Learn it up a little bit. But that's my Bertello Pizza Oven. I had to unbox it for you. Read a little bit, and I'll be all set. And this is supposed to make pizzas in like 60 seconds. So we're gonna have a lot of pizzas. You know them big pizza oven kind with the blisters around it? Heats up real nice and quick. Let me go read this. Will you read it to me?
Okay.
You read this one, and I'll read that one.
Okay, get your tools.
I did learn a little more quickly here. Let me remove the stone and show you. Remove the stone. I learned that every unit comes with this charcoal wood chips burning kit, which slides in at the end where the pizza goes. You can see that. Let me move something here. Okay. So this apparatus goes in here where the pizza and the pizza stone go in, all the way through to the other end. Tap that in, see? Nice. Then you add your charcoal in here. When that gets burning up nicely, white hot, you put a few wood chips in there. And then you put this like this. And you have charcoal cooked pizza. Isn't that great? And they give you this. Remember, this came with it so you can check the temperature of the stone. They want like around between 600 and 700 degrees. Isn't that amazing? So then, this one comes with every oven, they say. The charcoal attachment. Take it out. And you do the same thing with the optional wood kit. See the wood kit? This goes in the pizza side also. All the way up to the end. This. And then you take your gas, because this is for gas and wood cooked pizza. And you put this igniter, the gas burner, inside of that. And you, again, put your wood in here, and you're using propane and wood. And you can put the cover on like that. So I learned that pretty quickly. At first I had this upside down and everything, but it's very simple. And I could really make some pizza right now if I wanted to. Oh, then you push this all the way in, and then you put your stone in. And be real careful with the pizza stone. It's nice, it has the name Bertello engraved right in there. I wanted to show you how quick I learned that. I love it. I'm going to put it away for the day. Or maybe I'll go make some pizza dough. Please subscribe and stop back tomorrow. And we'll be making some good homemade pizza oven pizzas. Alright, take it easy.